Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priceless Clean Makeover, your one-stop beauty blog. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing us how I created this gorgeous, flawless look you are seeing on the screen. And so if this is what you would like to watch, kindly stick around to the end. And if this is your first time of seeing my videos, thank you for stopping by. Please do not make it your last. Kindly like, subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up to get to other people as well. And to my old subscribers, you guys already know I love you. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. This is my client and she'll be going for her pre-wedding photo shoot after this makeup, and so she wanted something bright. So I've just carved her brows, and here I'm using my CPD micellar water to clean her face thoroughly. After that, I will let it dry. Then I apply my Dr. Rashell vitamin C serum all over the face, especially on the under eye. I will allow that to dry. Then I will apply my Sod Cream moisturizer all over the face too, especially on the under eye. Reason because if you are duress or under great stress, it shows on the under eye, and so you must moisturize properly. Next, I will be applying my Stay Matte primer on the T-zone area and other parts of the face, avoiding the under eye because it will make the makeup smudge on the under eye. So anything primer doesn't go on the under eye. So after apply, I like using my hands, my clean, thoroughly washed hand, to apply my skin prep most times, and it works superb. If you haven't tried this, you can try it and you see the outcome. Next, I'll be mixing my 2-shade V Beauty foundation to get her exact shade, and then I'll be using my beauty sponge to damp it into the skin light-handedly. If you want a flawless makeup and weightless makeup, you have to go it easy with your foundation. A little will go a long way. After that, I will be spraying the face with my hydrating green tea spray and then allowing it to sink in. Next thing I'll be doing is to highlight the face using my 2-shade Pro Concealer, one from Spotless Cosmetics and one from HD Cosmetics. I use them to highlight the face on the forehead, under eye, bridge of the nose, above the lip, and the jaw. Those are the 5 important areas to highlight in professional makeup artistry, and then I will blend that in seamlessly. While blending your Pro Concealer in, you make sure to blend light-handedly, not too down that you will not see the product again, or too light that you leave demarcation and harsh lines on the face. So I will just simply and light-handedly apply and dampen the Pro Concealers I am using to highlight the face. This will make the face pop out well and remove every stress on the person's face. So I will blend that in seamlessly like you are seeing it, and then move over to blush application. For my blush, I'll be using my CPD blush palette in shade of orange to blush off the cheek. She's in a great hurry, and so I will not be doing my cheek contouring. So after applying the blush, next thing I'm doing is to mix 2-shade darker foundation and use it to do my nose contouring. Then next thing I'll be doing is to bake the highlighted area. I use the same matching shade of dry powder to bake the highlighted areas. This is actually important because it will help the makeup sit in well. But you can actually skip this process and then go over to using your setting powder to preset. I like doing this sometimes. Just so you know, no makeup step is set on stone. You can do what works for you. On some occasions, I do set with setting powder straight out and then remove some powder effect using my powder palette, or another occasion, I just go ahead to bake before I set, just like I am doing it here. So I have just baked and set with my SACHA Butter Cup setting powder, and then I use the same SACHA Butter Cup setting powder to do my reverse contour both on the nose and on the cheek, and then dust off the excess powdery effect on the face. Next thing I'm doing here is to outline the brows using my what's it called again, Karite gel brow gel liner. I will outline the brows and then fill it in lightly using a brow pencil or a thin layer of my Karite gel liner. After that, I will conceal the brows and then move over to eyeshadow application. So for her eyeshadow, she wanted something bright because of the dresses she'll be wearing for her pre-wedding photo shoot, and so I decided to give her eye look that sunflower effect because of the yellow she'll be wearing. And then for my to cut my transition, I used a brown eyeshadow and then cut the transition. You can see the brown is browning. Then after cutting the transition, I will be cutting the crease using my Benny White eyeshadow primer. I will use that to cut the crease on the eyelid and then apply the sunflower shade of eyeshadow. So watch just how I am doing it. You need, for the crease, you need your concealer brush or a flat brush to cut the crease. So it's a half cut crease eye look, and so I will be cutting the eyelid halfway just as I am doing it here. So I will just cut it in a moon shape, a half moon shape. So guys, this is my studio for now, the place I am managing, and forgive the background at the in this video if you don't really like it. I didn't even put background into consideration when I was shooting this work because of so much in a rush. You know how clients can be. So after cutting the both eyelid, the next thing I'll be doing is to apply that darker brown shade on the outer corner of the eyelid, and then apply a thin layer of green in the middle and the yellow finally in the inner corner of the eyelid, just as I am doing it here. I rushed it because the video will be quite long and I don't want you to get bored while watching. So after applying that, next thing I'll be doing is to fill her waterline using my black Karite gel liner. I'll fill it and then smudge it out with a black eyeshadow. That I did not show, but that's just how to do it. After that, I will be going over to the lip application. For the lip, I use my all-time favorite lip stain, Avour lip stain in the shade of Coffee 33 to outline the lip, and then apply a very light pro concealer in the middle to highlight the lip. Then I blend that in seamlessly and then use a yellow, but the yellow eyeshadow I use for her eye to highlight the lip more, to give it that yellow effect, so you can see the look is given. So after that, I will finish the look and then spread the face generously using my green tea hydrating spray. After that, I added warmth to the face by applying my Glow by Yanga Beauty on the jaw, the chin bone, bridge of the nose, the forehead. I blended and then sealed the makeup with my So Pro Seal It spray, and voila, this is the look, guys. It is giving. Skin is skinning, the eyeshadow is popping, the lip is lipping, the brows, yes, she has a very stubborn brows, but then I did my thing and it's giving bride to be vibe. She's a baddie, and so this is how her hair was looking. She has a very lovely natural hair and she doesn't want to go for frontal or anything, and so she asked me, Priceless, can you style my hair? I said, okay, say no more, baby. And this is how I styled her hair. It's giving frontal even though it is natural hair. I love the hair and she loved it too. You can see the approval smile and satisfactory smile on her face. So guys, what do you think about this look? Would you be trying this eye look? Do you like the brows? What about the lippy? How about the nose contour and the skin work? Everything is on point. And so this is our bride to be for her photo shoot session. She's giving, everything she's wearing was rented from my studio, Priceless Clean Makeover store. So both her earring, her headgear, the bride to be robe, the bridal gown she's wearing, her nails, everything. So when I said I am your all-round beauty plug, I am not capping, guys. You can check out my Instagram page at Priceless Clean Makeover Studio. my TikTok as Priceless Clean Makeover Studio, my Facebook as Priceless Clean Makeover. Just do well to reach out to me. Vibe on vibe, let's connect. So this is her traditional attire for the photo shoot. I gave her all that she wanted. It's giving body vibe. You can see the smile, the glow. You can see the happiness in my bride. It can only be Priceless Clean Makeover, guys. Tell me, what do you guys think about the overall look from her first outfit to her second outfit, the bridal shower look and the traditional attire? Everything is giving. She's an Igbo bride and she ate and left no crumb. My touch, my signature is one in a town. So guys, I love you guys already, you know that. And so show me some love by liking, sharing, subscribing, and also give this video a thumbs up so that it gets to other people as well. For now, I love you guys and I'll be seeing you on my next video. Do not forget to check us out on all of our social media platforms, and also do not forget to show this love that I'm showing you. Bye guys, I love you. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.